Hi, Julian. Hi, Cynthia. Hi, Rosa. My name is Julian, and I'm going to be walking you through this session. Before we begin, I have some information that might be helpful for you. I am testing a mobile application for my capstone project, so we can see what it's like for people to use it and if we need to do some changes. The session should take about 20 to 25 minutes, and I want to hear exactly what you think, so please don't worry that you are going to hurt my feelings. I want to know about the app and its process, so I need to know honestly what you think. As we go along, I am going to ask you to think out loud, to tell me what is going on through your mind. If you have questions, just ask. I may not be able to answer them right away, since I'm interested in how people do when they don't have someone sitting next to them to help. But I will try to answer any questions you still have when we are done. If you need to take a break at any point, just let me know.
Okay.
You may have noticed the cameras on the computer. With your permission, I am going to record what happens on this screen and what you say. The recording will be used only to help us figure it out to improve the site, and it will not be seen by anyone except the people working on the project. It also helps me because I don't have to take as many notes. So I'm going to ask you some questions before we start with the testing of the app. Feel free to ask for clarification if you need to do so. So how often do you use your smartphone?
Every 5 minutes.
A lot.
A lot? Would you be more specific, or hours per day?
I don't know, almost the whole day.
Every day.
Every day? Would you be more specific with a time? Like hour?
Sure. Like 6 hours per day, maybe.
Okay, perfect. Do you consider yourself a good planner?
Yes,
Okay, why?
because I like to make sure I don't forget stuff, so I put everything on my calendar and all that.
Yeah,
Yeah. Why?
I like to have everything organized.
Yeah,
Why?
I will say so. I will say that. Like in general, I try to organize my activities for like every day, especially I think because it's pretty useful for college. Because I have a hard time to remember things.
Okay.
So for me, it's important to take notes, especially for the most important tasks that I need to do, and in specific dates.
Perfect. How often do you use your phone calendar?
About every day.
Never.
Never?
I would say not very often, but like in a week, I'll check it like maybe 4 times.
Okay, perfect. Do you use Android or iPhone?
Actually, both. I use it in my phone as an Android and my iPhone on my tablet, iPad.
iPhone.
Okay.
Android.
Do you prefer a website that is responsive? Do you prefer a website that is responsive for you, for your phone, or an application?
A website.
A website.
An app.
An app. Okay.
An application.
Awesome. So now we're done with the introduction questions. So let me pull up the prototype so we can start training. This is the prototype that we are using. So in this case, I'm going to show up the screens that I need to use. Now, I'll ask you to follow some instructions. I will pull up the screen you need to see. Do not feel pressured if you don't know what is going on. Again, feel free to ask any questions you may have or think out loud. You're not in a test, so you can relax. So this is going to be the first screen. What do you see?
A plus sign with a thing saying add task.
I'm seeing a plus icon that is asking me to insert a task.
Okay.
That I want to add a task.
Perfect. Any special forms that you notice on the first screen?
No, it's pretty simple. I want to add a task.
Any form?
Yeah.
So, like in general?
Yeah, in general.
So, squares and rectangles?
Cool. What is there anything you want to do right away?
Add a task.
Perfect. Like, what does it make you feel you have to do?
That I need to type something.
Okay. Just really quick, can you tell me the name of the app?
I guess it's TaskBy.
TaskBy.
Okay.
It's probably like a task tracking or something like that.
I'm asking like for the name of the application.
Maybe just calendar.
Okay. Okay. So go ahead and create a task. What do you see now?
I'm seeing a calendar. I'm seeing. Okay, I have a month,
Okay.
and then I have a section that is asking me for an address and details, and then I have 3 buttons, and yeah, that's pretty much all.
Perfect.
The task name, the due date, details, address, the option to see the address in the maps, to save it or discard it.
That I have to put a task name, the day I want the task, I guess. If I want to add notes and details, and address, I guess location. Open map, I guess it's for address. And discard, I guess if I want to cancel, and save if I want to actually make it.
Perfect. What is there something you want to do right away?
The task name.
The task name. Perfect. So let's pretend you are done with the task and click tab save. Perfect.
Okay.
Awesome. What do you see now?
So it's basically asking me to insert another task.
That I have a task created for October 4.
Oh, cool. Any icons or something new in the task?
I mean, I can share it or delete it.
The first task that I just created,
Okay.
and the option to add a new task.
Okay. Are there any icons there?
To share the task or to delete the task.
Perfect.
And it shows that the task 1 is checked. So I guess it's saved
Okay.
with the date, and I have like icons next to it that.
Can you describe those icons?
One is to share it, and the other one is to put it to the trash.
Perfect. Perfect. So now that you notice the icons, can you share that?
What? Oh,
Yeah.
sure.
Yeah. Do you have any problems or issues recognizing those icons?
No.
Perfect. Now, can you please, you said there was a share icon, can you please share your task? Perfect. What do you see now?
I can share it on WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, as a text message, or an email.
So I'm seeing options where I can share my
What are those
my
options?
saved task. I have WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, SMS, and email.
That I can share my app, task on WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, SMS, or email.
Perfect. Which of those methods is your preferred one overall when you use your phone?
WhatsApp.
So you can just go back to the first screen. And I want you to delete the task.
Okay.
What do you see now on this screen?
That is making sure that I actually want to delete it.
If the task is gonna be deleted.
So I'm seeing a box that says basically it's asking me for my authorization if I want to delete it or not.
Do you feel annoying by that?
No, not at all.
Okay, perfect.
No, I actually think it's smart because sometimes it can be useful, another thought.
Or are you comfortable with it?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Go ahead and click OK. Sweet. And then go ahead and create a new task. Just go ahead and we are going to pretend you are done with your task and go ahead and click and save it.
Save.
Anything familiar again?
The icons.
Yeah. Please go ahead and mark task 1 as completed.
It looks like it's already completed.
Go ahead and mark. Okay. Perfect.
But okay.
So you think it's already completed?
With the tick, it looks already completed. So
cool.
if it would be empty, it looks like I want to press it, and then it means that it's done.
Perfect. Thank you very much. So let's say you're done with the task. Can you mark that task as completed?
Checkbox.
Perfect. Perfect. Now, can you please go ahead and mark task 1 as completed? Perfect. What do you see now? Anything new on the screen?
I mean, the lower part, there's a new thing called task completed, and there's an undo that it looks like I want to press it if I didn't complete it yet.
Okay. Is it annoying for you? Is it clear for you?
It's just weird.
Do you find that helpful or?
I don't think it's necessary.
Okay.
A message that shows the task was completed.
Is there anything else in that message?
If I can undo the completed option.
Do you find that helpful?
Yeah.
It has a section that says task completed and undo.
Okay, what does that undo means?
That I can go back one step.
Okay, perfect. Do you feel annoying by that?
No.
Do you think it's kind of good to do?
Maybe sometimes, cause sometimes especially me, I just press buttons and then realize if I was supposed to delete it or not, especially for my notes. So this is
Perfect.
a good thing for me.
I think maybe you should put another place, in here, tasks that I already complete, and then that la historia.
Okay, perfect story.
All tasks you've done, but I don't think it should be right in the middle of the main screen.
Okay.
Because you already, you forgot about, you don't want to know what you've done already. You want to know what you want to do now.
Okay, perfect. Can you go ahead and find the settings screen? So what do you see now?
Notifications and synchronize with calendar. I can put it on or off.
I'm seeing two options. One is for notifications and the other one is for synchronize with calendar.
The notifications of the tasks, and if I want to synchronize with the calendar app within the phone.
Perfect. Is it clear what you can do with those options?
Yeah, pretty clear.
I'm not sure what it is asking me for, but for me it's not very clear why would I have these options.
Okay.
But I understand that notification, it's asking me if I want to get the notification, but I don't see if that's very necessary for this application.
Is it clear how you can turn it on and off?
Mhm.
Okay, perfect. So I think, Rosa, we're done. Thank you very much for participating. Do you have any questions about the app?
No.
Did you feel confused at any time, or
No.
do you think it's pretty clear?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, perfect. I think we're done with the user testing for this application. So thank you very much, Cynthia, for participating and testing the application TaskBy.
Okay, thank you.
I like the add a task when you don't have any task. But when it's one, I just feel it's,
Unnecessary?
yeah, because there's already a plus right next
Okay.
to settings.